Hi, I'm Anupriya. The topic today is verb. In English grammar, when we speak about verb, so what does it defines? What definition it bring out with its word? In any sentence, or suppose I don't use the word in any sentence. Verb is the shortest sentence contains verb. Suppose if I speak about or if I speak stop. So stop, when I speak stop, जब मैं ये बोलती हूँ आपको stop, रुक जाओ. It is a complete sentence in itself. When I say play, I am ordering you to play. मैं आपको खेलने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. So again, it is a complete sentence in itself and it is a verb. How it has a verb? Because it shows the action of a subject in a sentence. I am a subject. I am a teacher. Okay? So what the teacher is doing? अभी teacher क्या कर रही है? Teacher is teaching you. So teacher is a subject in a sentence and the action of a teacher का action क्या है? Teaching है. So teaching is a verb in a sentence. Now here I come. Go. Go again is a complete sentence. जाओ. When I say जाओ, you understand what I am trying to tell you. आप समझ जाते हो कि मैं आपको जाने के लिए कह रही हूँ. So you don't need any other word before it or after it. Run. दौड़ो. Again I am ordering you to run. So it also, so verb is a very magical word in a sentence that doesn't need most of the times any word before it or after it. Sometimes even a single word becomes the whole sentence, like few words are here. So in a very short, a verb describes an action of a subject in a sentence. Now the verb is defined in two sections: helping verb and main verb. Now we should come to know that what exactly helping verb is all about. Okay, helping. The word is helping. Helping means what? Help means किसी की मदद करना, किसी को help करना, किसी को किसी चीज की जरूरत है आप उसे वो provide कर दो, तो that's called help. In a sentence, ये जो कुछ words हैं that I have written here is helping in a sentence to create a complete sentence. Suppose आपसे कोई स्ट्रेंजर आके मिलता है या XYZ कोई भी पर्सन आपसे आके कम्युनिकेट करता है और he speaks, he comes to you and he speaks, I will, she is, what is saying? I will, she is, they are. Okay? वो आपको आके ये थ्री सेंटेंसेस बोलता है. डू यू गेट व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू से? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो आपसे क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है? आई विल, व्हाट आई विल, शी इज, व्हाट शी इज अबाउट, दे आर, व्हाट, दिस सीम्स इनकम्प्लीट, दिस सीम्स वेरी मच इनकम्प्लीट, बट व्हेन द सेंटेंस कम्स इन दिस वे, लाइक I will play, so it becomes complete. So this word, very important word, made this complete. So this verb is helping a sentence only. The play in itself, I told you earlier also कि play in itself is a complete sentence. अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ play तो आप समझते हो मैं आपको खेलने के लिए ऑर्डर कर रही हूँ. But when I speak you about only I will, तो आप you don't understand कि what I will, मुझे क्या करना होगा. So I will play. So this verb is completing a sentence, is helping this sentence to become a complete sentence. That's why this is a main verb and this is a helping verb. Few helping verb and I am a teacher is, Priya is a good girl, are, they are walking, was, she was walking, were, do, did, has, have, had, will, shall, does, can, could and must. few words are there which helps a sentence to become complete. If we don't use this main verbs, it seems incomplete. So in this way, these words are showing that yes, I am complete sentence when you speak run, when you speak walk, when you speak eat, or when you say finish, I understand the senses. But when I say I have, what I have had my food, complete. She had, what she had, again incomplete. But she had gone. So it's a complete sentence. So these verbs are helping a sentence to become complete, and this is a main verb because it is a complete in itself. That's why this is called the main verb. So the verb has two things, that is helping verb and main verb. I hope you understand and definitely practice on this lesson. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.